Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can take a long screenshot on your iPhone device. So this is a really awesome method if you're looking to capture maybe an entire screen or a really long infographic or pretty much anything else. So once you do take this really long screenshot, you'll then have the ability to go ahead and mark it up, add kind of writings, text, magnifying glasses, arrows, and the list pretty much does go on. So I believe for this particular method, you will have to be up to date with iOS 13 and above. So if you already haven't updated to iOS 13, you can simply go ahead and do this in the Settings app, and then just go down to General, and then to Software Update. And you just want to ensure that you're on iOS 13 and above. And if you aren't, you can just go ahead and download and install. Okay, so now I'll go back to the article. So if you're on the iPhone 8 or older, to take a screenshot, you just want to go ahead and press the home button and the lock button. And if you're on the iPhone 9 and above or the iPhone 10 and above, you can also do this by holding the volume up and also the lock button as well. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do the lock screen and the lock button for this screenshot. Now, as soon as I do that, I get a small preview. Now, once I open this, I just want to go and navigate to full page. Now, once I'm in here, I now have the ability to see this scroll bar on the right-hand side. And now I can just go ahead and tap and hold this and drag it all the way down to the bottom. And as far as I drag, that will capture that entire screenshot. So now I can go all the way down to the bottom, and this will capture the entire screenshot. And now I can go ahead and mark up the screenshot. I can maybe just write a piece of text or some lines, and then I can also go to the plus icon, and I can also add text, a signature, magnifying glasses, arrows, and text bubbles as well. So once I'm happy with the changes to this screenshot, I can now go ahead and press done. Or alternatively, I can export this and send it directly through message, email, or I can copy and print it as well. So in this instance, I actually want to save it to my iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead and press done. And now I'm going to go and save to PDF on files. And then I just want to save it to downloads and then go to save. So now that's gone ahead and saved. I can now go over to the Files app on my iPhone. And I now have this full-length screenshot right within my iPhone, and this is also really good for offline viewing as well. And if I scroll down to the very bottom, you can also see the changes that we made as well. And if you want to go ahead and make some additional changes, you can also do this by pressing on the kind of pen icon on the top right hand corner. And now this also allows us to go ahead and make some more changes as well. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and simple way on how to take a full-length screenshot on your iPhone device. So hopefully this quick video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any other content like this, please share your ideas down below in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.